Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to set up your Ledger Stax. First, carefully unbox your new Ledger Stax device and confirm all items are included. Power on the device and follow the simple on-screen instructions to begin the setup process. You'll then connect your Ledger Stax to the Ledger Live application on your computer or mobile device, which guides you through the remaining steps. This initial setup is crucial for securing your digital assets. Next, you'll either create a new 24-word recovery phrase or restore from an existing one. This phrase is vital for recovering your funds, so store it securely offline. Then, set a robust PIN code, typically between 4 and 8 digits, to protect your device from unauthorized access. Finally, use Ledger Live to install the necessary applications for the cryptocurrencies you plan to manage. To keep your assets safe, always double-check transaction details directly on your Ledger Stax screen before confirming. This prevents malicious software from altering your transactions. Remember, your 24-word recovery phrase is the master key to your funds. Never share it with anyone, even Ledger support. Also, regularly update your device's firmware through Ledger Live to ensure you have the latest security enhancements. Once set up, explore advanced features like managing NFTs or staking your cryptocurrencies directly from your device. Ledger Live also offers portfolio tracking and integrated exchange services for convenience. For those looking to deepen their financial understanding, I highly recommend a book that can truly change how you think about money. Check the description below for a link to this book, The Simple Path to Wealth, as well as other helpful deals and resources. Keeping your financial knowledge sharp is just as important as securing your assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.